guys, it's Shani from Yiannimize, and today we have a Lamborghini SVJ. It's the first car we've ever had at Yiannimize. That is it behind me. It's an awesome looking car. It's in red at the moment and we're going to wrap it a new colour. I hope you enjoy this video.
Right, so what can I say? SVJ, I love this car. Obviously, we've got it first because we are who we are. So the first thing we need to do is try and take the spoiler off. Looking at it, you've got a few bolts here. Got my hand a little light. Don't want to rush this one. So first thing to do, get rid of the bolts, see what goes where. We're gonna crack on. Right, so we're back on the SVJ. As you can see, mad progress. Took the spoiler off, took the bumper off. There's parts everywhere, and I'm happy. Mark and Nicco are happy. As you can see, they've started cracking on already. We're gonna move on to the doors now. Windows out, mirrors out, handles out, and hopefully we'll get it boxed up.
Hi guys, it's Nicco and Mark. Mark and Nicco.
Nicco and Mark.
We're on the SVJ right now. We've done so many Aventador, but SVJ, this is the first one. It's gonna be hard. It's red. We have to hide every red on this one, and it has so many carbons, different shape. So Pop stripped most of the car, but he really helped us a lot. But it's still gonna be hard. The color is so bright and we have to hide.
Yeah, we started like around 5 o'clock yesterday. 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock. We stayed late. We done the whole side, the roof, the bonnet. Now we're gonna jump on the other side. And let's see what it's gonna look like. Let's kill it. So me and Mark propped this one earlier. As you can see, there's some 2 corners in here. This is one of the tricky bit because in Yiannimize, like me and my brother, the corner is very important for us because some of the company, some of the customers, when they check the car, they go straight away to the corner. So when we do corners, it must be 100%. Like something's lifting in there, they're gonna notice it straight away. So corner is the very important bit. As you can see, we put some masking tape on the carbon bits, so if anything happen like the heat or something, the paint is safe, the carbon is safe. Like what Mark did on the corner as well, he put some masking tape next to the rubber, so everything's gonna be safe. It takes time, but save your assets as well. Can I say that?
Look cool for a sec.
I'm at the studio, man. There you go.
can see, we just done the engine cover. It's now grey, and trust me, it was difficult. Me and Nicco never done this one before. As you can see, all the vents are now one piece, and yeah, it's time to cover it up. Nicco!
So Elliot just asked me, the guy behind the camera, he asked me that why we covering it up. So we're covering it up to protect ourselves, so no one's really scratch the vinyl. It's protection for ourselves again. That's why we're professionals.
So there it is, guys, Lamborghini SVJ, the first one we've ever wrapped. Is it the first one that's been wrapped anywhere? I don't know. I don't know when this video is going to come out, but by the way, it's beginning of February. So obviously if this video comes out in March, you're like, yeah, loads have been wrapped since then. Beginning of February. Looks factory paint. That is what the customer wanted. He wanted an original colour, so it looked like it came straight out of the dealership. You can't see any red anywhere. And the boys have done a fantastic job. It is a real special car. First one we've ever done. I hope to do a lot more. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon.